Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. I'm going to show you a powerful project I built on Amazon Market Intelligence CRM and inspired by some popular CRM style dashboard, but fully powered using Python and Streamlit. Now this system designed to turn raw Amazon product data into a structured sales pipeline dashboard where every product becomes a lead with scoring, classification, and visual decision support. We start by pulling live data from Amazon using a certain integration. Now, this gives us real-time access to product titles, and pricing, rating, reviews, product links. Instead of manually analyzing products, everything is automated. Now, once the data is collected, right, we process it using numerous modules where we clean the values and compute business intelligence metrics like demand, that's one, ROI, competition score. Okay. Now then it comes with the core system of the CRM scoring engine. Each product is evaluated and ranked using a weight scoring system that combines market demand, profit potential or ROI estimation, market competition level. After scoring, we convert the data into a style pipeline with stages like hot lead, working lead, qualified, cold lead. This transformed raw e-commerce data into structured sales pipeline. Now, the most important part is the UI. Now, this CRM style dashboard is made of Streamlit and also Python. Okay, we built a real-time dashboard that behaves like a CRM, right? In or a SaaS style CRM system, each product is displayed into a card with key metrics, right? And then a heat score visualization, a vertical bar, and showing demand, competition, and strength and opportunity strength, and a direct link to Amazon product page like this one. Okay, and then now the result is a data-driven decision engine, okay, that helps you instead of instantly identifying profitable products without manual research. Now this process uses Python for back-end logic, Streamlit for front-end UI, some other analytics modules, requests for integration, some other Amazon scraping in real-time integration. Now, in simple terms, this system turns Amazon into a live business intelligence dashboard. Instead of browsing pages or product randomly, you now have a CRM-powered decision system that tells you exactly what to sell, what to ignore, and what to watch. Now, how I usually launch the system. To do that, we have to go to the terminal and we're going to run streamlit run amazon.py. Okay, here's the code of that system, of that CRM, right? And as you can see here, it fetch Amazon query. Then here's the what you call this, a UI, right? Then there's a lot more coding terminology here, but everything is well coded. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to stop the CRM. As you can see, stopping, and it goes to the prompt. And if we go back to the, as you can see here, say to the CRM, it will going to say what you call this connecting, right? So we're going to close that out, okay? And then we go back here on the terminal. Then I'm going to run that again. And then it will open our CRM on the search page. Okay. Now we're going to try a different item. Let's say, yeah, mouse, keyboard. Let's say keyboard. Okay, we're going to analyze the run CRM analysis. As you can see here, it's real time. As you can see, it's loading one by one, right? And as you can see here, all the data are being, being uploaded to our system or being shown to our system, right? And then, yeah, you can just click on the open record so that you can see the. Let's close this out to open the record or the keyboard that you're trying to access or trying to or you have planned to list on on your own CRM, okay, or in your e-commerce platform, right? So yeah, if you are interested with this kind of project, just send me a message on my email. And also, if you like the video, just click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're interested, and have the bell icon click because you will get the privilege to get the notification on your computer or your on your call this on your phone. And if you like to share, just share it to your friends, your family who are interested with this kind of project and need some tutorial about Python coding or different kinds of modules that you think of, Flask, Streamlit, or any kind of UI that Python can, that we can incorporate to Python, right? So until then, until the next video.